Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing another Vlogtober day with you. Today is actually Sunday and it's Madison's 14th birthday weekend, and we are headed to the farm. We're gonna pick up some mums. We just went grocery shopping and it's a beautiful fall day, so I thought it would be fun to bring you guys along. We just got back from the farm. It was a lot of fun. We saw a horse, we got some mums and a pumpkin, and now I am boiling beets that I'm just making as like a snack to have in the house. And I'm gonna do some stuff around the house in the yard, and it's just a really nice fall afternoon. Hi Leo. One of the things that I picked up are these like scented brooms. I got them from Weiss. And this one is cinnamon, and this one is like a cranberry cinnamon, I think. So our mudroom is really starting to smell like dog. So I want to put one in here and then one in the living room where the dogs hang out all the time. Because you guys get stinky, Leo. Yeah, you do. For lunch, I'm just having apple with peanut butter, and I have about 3 chapters left in this book. So hopefully I'll be able to finish this today so I can start something new, because I have a lot on my TBR for the fall. I just made 2 meatloaves that I'm putting in the oven for dinner tonight. I have my grandma's old meatloaf recipe. This is pretty beat up, pretty basic, but it's really, really good. It's already about 7 o'clock at night. I'm about to take the dogs for a walk. I cannot believe how dark it is already. I hate that it gets dark so early, but that's gonna be it for today. I don't think I really shared a lot, so I'll probably share more with you guys tomorrow so that I can get this uploaded and ready for you Tuesday morning. But that's going to be it for now, and I will see you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning, guys. It's about 11:30 in the morning. I'm just getting back from the gym. Sorry I didn't check in this morning. I had my coffee and then I had to get straight to work. There is an impending storm headed to Florida this week, and it's just been a nightmare with clients that have Disney reservations that are coming in during the storm. And this is one of the top reasons that you should always use a travel agent that is free, because let me tell you, our agency was on hold with Disney all day on Sunday. I'm talking like 6+ hours just trying to help clients cancel, rebook, reschedule, whatever they need to do with their reservation. And then this is also something that happens, unfortunately, more often than not. Sometimes you could be waiting on hold for that many hours, and then Disney just might shut down their phone lines because they can't handle the capacity. And then you have to try again the next day. So I don't know why anyone in their right mind would want to do that when you have somebody that will do it for you for free. But anyway, I just had to mention that. So that being said, this morning I was following up with clients who are traveling to Disney this week and Universal. So it was a busy morning, but now I am going to shower, have lunch, and get back to work. I finished the London Seance Society last night. It was actually really good, and I enjoyed the author's notes at the end, because she actually talks about how back in the 1800s women would hold seances and the history behind it. So it was really interesting to read that part of it. And then I went to Barnes & Noble a few days ago, and I picked up these books. So I picked up A Gentleman in Moscow, and then I have never read a Stephen King book, so I thought this was the time of year to give it a try. So Stephen King Holly. And looking ahead at Christmas books, I'm doing a book club, and I thought this might be a good one to consider for the holidays. It's the 12 Books of Christmas. I'm not sure yet. I have a few others that I'm looking at as well, but I'll definitely be reading that around the holidays. And then here is my Book of the Month Club book that I received, and it's The Boyfriend by Frida McFadden. I usually really like her books, so we'll see how that goes, but I'm trying to decide what to read next. Definitely not that. I'll probably go with either of these two because, you know, I still want something kind of creepy, murder mystery, or whatever this is going to be. I'm sure Stephen King is going to be a bit disturbing. It always is. So I don't know. I have to choose between those two. You guys will have to let me know in the comments below if you've read any of these and what you thought of them. How did this creature even get in my bathroom? I was just about to get in the shower and there's this. I came in here to do dishes and right away they're waiting for me at the door. They think I'm taking them for a walk, but I can't right now. I have to catch up on some housework. I'm gonna do some dishes and make dinner. Tonight I'm making chili. The temperature is really dropping. It's getting really cold all of a sudden, but that's what I'm up to. I'm sorry there's really nothing more exciting happening today, and that's really all that's going on. I have completely lost track of time today. I'm already in my pajamas. I'm ready for bed. I had chili for dinner tonight and I had a glass of wine with dinner, which I don't often do. And it just kind of threw me off. And then I started doing training with Celebrity Cruise Line tonight and completely lost track of time. And I was getting ready for bed and I was like, I totally forgot to end the vlog. So I just wanted to say good night. I am praying for all of my friends in Florida. I know this horrible hurricane Milton is headed your way, and I really hope that you guys are okay. I'm really thinking of you, and I know I talked earlier about, you know, helping reschedule vacations and things like that, but I mean, that is really the least of our problems right now, and really not a big deal at all. It's those of you who live in Florida. I am so concerned for you and I hope that you're all safe. And I just want to let you know that I'm thinking of you. You are in my prayers, and you know, let's just hope that this hurricane, this storm coming through isn't as bad as they're anticipating. All right, so that is going to be it for tonight. Thank you so much for coming along on another Vlogtober, and I will see you guys next time. Good night.